Hello everyone, welcome to my video maker channel in YouTube. I'm Jack Chen in Hong Kong. If you are looking for new designing for ring, so this time in this video I'm going to show you a very special ring design here with different color bead, and this bead actually is made from Xinjiang Hetian jade. So let's see how nice, huh? So let's see what kind of tools and material we are going to have in this video. In my hand, you can see a bell-shaped plier, chain nose plier, and flush cutter. You need a manual and a plastic hammer. You need 15 cm long and 1.2 mm thick copper wire and 0.4 mm golden wire. Of course, I have some very colorful and nice jade bead here. So let's go and make it. Let's go and start to make it. So first we use our manual, and for this finger I would like to use for 22. So we put our copper wire here. Now we need to use our channel spire to open this and this side. I think I should open the here around 2 mm from the open gap. Make it straight. Use the channel spire. Okay, you see. like a tire. I want to use the hammer. Okay, and because we will use this the bell shape plier, this one here, so it's around 2 millimeter. So I cut. And also see. So the bell shape okay. Good. Looks nice. So now we are going to choose the bead here. I just made white, red, white, red, yellow, green. So you can choose the color which you want. For example, this time I want to choose red, and yellow in between. This color looks nice. So I take 0.4 millimeter wire. I take around 10. So put this 3B in a line. Okay, that's nice. Oh. Wow, you almost can see the finished one. So we must tie it. I go 1 round, 2 round, 3. And this side the same. We read 1, 2, 3, and move together so that looks more nice. Okay. So the last one, the last time. 4. Make it tie, put it together. So I cut it. One more time. Put it together. And cut it. And the channel plier, move it in, press in. Oh, perfect. So Wow, looks nice. So finally, we already has this violin specials. If you wear this violin outside to show your friend, if they ask, where did you buy it? You can proudly say, I made it. So that is all of today. If you like my video, please give me a click below here or subscribe my channel. This is Jack Chen in Hong Kong, China. See you next time. Bye bye.